Are you ready to embark on a journey of healthier eating without compromising on flavor? Look no further than the Bella 2-tier food steamer, your ultimate tool for fast, convenient, and nutrient-rich cooking. Join me as we delve into the features that make this steamer a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal. If you're interested in learning more about the Bella 2-tier food steamer with dishwasher, please click on the link in the description below. Elevate your culinary adventures. Imagine being able to cook multiple dishes simultaneously without the hassle of juggling different pots and pans. The 2-tier design of the Bella food steamer is a game changer. With separate stackable glass baskets, you can cook a variety of foods at the same time. From steamed veggies to succulent dumplings, from tender fish to hearty rice, this steamer is your versatile companion for creating a complete meal in one go. Smart design for seamless cooking. The easy-to-read water level indicator takes the guesswork out of refilling the water pot. No more second-guessing or risking undercooked meals. With precision and ease, you can ensure that your food is cooked to perfection every time. When it comes to cleanup, the dishwasher-safe design ensures that you spend more time savoring your creations and less time scrubbing. Safety first. Always, your safety is of paramount importance, and the Bella food steamer delivers on that front too. With an auto shut-off feature and boil-dry protection, you can enjoy your cooking process without worrying about potential hazards. This steamer is your reliable sous chef, providing you with peace of mind while you focus on creating culinary wonders. Speed meets efficiency. In our fast-paced lives, convenience is key. The quick start heating system of the Bella food steamer means that you can go from zero to steaming in as little as 30 seconds. Say goodbye to lengthy prep times and welcome the speed and efficiency that this appliance brings to your kitchen. It's the perfect tool for busy weekdays or impromptu gatherings. Preserve nutrients, elevate taste. One of the standout features of the Bella food steamer is its commitment to preserving the nutritional value and taste of your food. The included vegetables tray and lid are designed to keep your food as close to its natural state as possible. This means that each bite bursts with flavor and retains its vital nutrients, ensuring that every meal you create is a step toward a healthier you. Elevate your culinary journey with Bella. The Bella 2-tier food steamer isn't just a kitchen appliance. It's a gateway to a world of culinary possibilities. Embrace the convenience of simultaneous cooking. Revel in the safety features that prioritize your well-being. And savor the flavors of food that's as close to nature as it gets. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking enthusiast, this steamer is your partner in creating meals that nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.